Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to justify a text in Canva. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Canva. You can open up a template from here or create your own design. I am going to use a template from here to show you an example on how to justify a text. Here, you need to select on the text box here. After that, go to the alignments, which is at the top navigation bar. Click once and it will come to the center. Then click again, it will go to the right hand side. After that, click again and it will be justified. As you can see that the text was like this at the first. So after justifying, you can see that the text has been aligned. You can also make this text justified. Simply click on the text box and click on Alignment tab 3 times and your text will be justified. So that is how you can justify text in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.